All right, in this video, we're going to talk about the Forms and Surveys engagement tool. As you can see, I have three of them right here. So Forms and Surveys, Forms and Surveys, Forms and Surveys. I did that to show you can have up to three of these tools on any widget at any time. This gives you the ability to pull in three forms or surveys from your HighLevel sub-accounts at any given time. Okay, so let's just get rid of a few of these just so we can make some space here and it's a little easier to manage. All right, so I'm going to click into this one here. Again, like any other tool, you have a front-facing title and a panel title. So let's just say I have this one. It's submit support ticket. All right, I can actually change this here by pasting that in the panel title. And as you can see, if I start adding fives, see how that changes. All right, so we're going to keep that. We have tool visibility. If you have office hours established in the widget settings, you can choose to show or hide this specific tool based on the office hours. And then once you have your agency level, HighLevel API key integrated, you will be able to pull in all your sub accounts. I'm going to choose ChatHQ. When you choose your location, whatever location or sub account in your HighLevel, you're going to get this type of selector. You're going to get a form or a survey selector and then a drop down. So if I have, let's say if I choose forms or surveys, see how that changes. And then when I open this drop down, I'm going to see a list of all of my forms or all of my surveys. Okay. So let's just go into forms. There should be a support ticket form in here somewhere. Create new support ticket. And there we go. And that is a HighLevel form. I built this in in HighLevel, and I'm pulling it directly into the widget. So what I did here, just for some good housekeeping, I aligned the entire form to the left. Okay, so I have a survey that I like to show you that's centered. New support ticket. So this one is centered, I believe. Let's check this out. Yeah, see how it's centered. It definitely doesn't look as good, but it can. I mean, like the way that I have this one set up, it's I can change the CSS of this survey, and it can look very good centered. But I just prefer the way that this looks, where it's left aligned as a form. So just something to keep in mind as you're building these, because you are building these forms and surveys in HighLevel and then you're pulling them in here. Now, again, just like any other tool, we give you the ability to choose a custom icon. Now this icon, let me show you if I save these changes. Okay, let me back out. Now this icon's going to show right here. See how you have this generic icon here, and that matches the widget. But if I click in here and I go to, let's just say support or help. Let's go ticket. All right, so if I select ticket and I apply those changes, see how this icon here, the default, is now different because this is the one that I changed. So I can change the icon there, make it look super unique and super cool. And that is the Forms and Surveys tool. I hope you guys learned a lot, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.